Back to working on the Ninja Creami. Let me tell you that if you saw the video where I bought this off of Amazon to replace the one that stripped out on the inside, let me just tell you, the new one only lasted about 2 days. Now, what I found out was, when this is standing the correct way up, this will fall off of the shaft. Even though it's magnetized, it'll fall off of the shaft under its own weight. So what I think was happening is, while it's held in the lid, it's held securely, but when it goes to push down, it would literally fall away from the shaft under its own weight, and that would cause it to get stripped out. Now, there's a little teeny tiny magnet right here on the end of this, where that black is at on the end of this shaft. That's actually a magnet. And magnets will get demagnetized whenever, let me show you where that magnet's at. You can kind of see it, I'm using a nail to point to it in the end of this shaft, and see the nail actually sticks to it. There's a little teeny tiny magnet in there. Well, magnets will get demagnetized if they get heat exposure. So I'm thinking that this thing getting heat exposure from the gears grinding has destroyed the magnet that's in this. It's not near as strong as it used to be. So I get out a caliper, I measure this. I kind of think I have the right size magnets. This is a 5mm by 2mm magnet. You can see it there. Then when I put this on here, now it's on there solid. It ain't gonna fall off under its own weight. Now that magnet actually kind of sticks out a little bit, and I'm thinking maybe it might be better to drill a hole in the bottom of this and insert the magnet that way. I don't honestly know what the best way is, but the magnet is sticking up a little proud there. You can kind of see. Let me see if I can get this where you can see it. The magnet does stick out of the shaft very slightly. Maybe I should have went with a 1mm. 5mm by 1mm. Not really sure. I might try to, I've been trying to clean out any gunk that might be in this hole. I can't really tell a way to get that magnet out. I might be able to take and actually just drill this hole out. Take a drill bit and try to drill it out that way, or use a Dremel or something like that. But I mean, the magnet is in there far enough to where it seems like it won't really come out too easy. I could stick a dab of some kind of glue or something, but if I need to replace it again, I want to be able to. But I think that's going to take care of it. That seems like that is much better. I think that turning this by hand, it seems like it's got a positive engagement, even though it's kind of raised up a little bit. So we'll just have to wait and see. But I'm also looking at the end of this. Let me see if I can get this to come into focus for you. I'm also looking at that hole right there, and you can see the outside outline of that magnet where it touched the inside of there. So I kind of know what size hole I need and how deep it needs to be. You know, I just have lots of options. We'll just give it a try and see what happens. Again, I've made probably about 480 pints out of this Ninja Creami since I bought it. And it's always worked great until that one time it didn't. And from then I've had problems and just trying to get it fixed. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description where these magnets are at that I bought. Bad thing about it is the smallest pack you can get, I think, is 150 or something like that. But they're dirt cheap, like $6 for all of them. So that and the paddle should get you fixed up and ready to go. Anyways, thanks for watching. As always, God bless you. God bless your families. God bless your homesteads.